and welcome to today's video. I'm so excited because on Friday this week I'm going to Hawaii for 6 days with my boyfriend Jason. We used to live there. That's actually where we met. So we lived there. I lived there for a year and a half. He was stationed there in the army, and then we moved to Seattle together. So it's a very exciting trip for us. I still have family there. I'm very, very excited to see them. For those that don't know, my dad is American, my mum's side is Australian. They're both Italian on both sides up. When I go there, I'll be seeing my dad's biological father. Long story short, I have a lot of grandparents. Yeah, I'm really excited to go and see the family that live there. My tutu, or my step grandmother, has lived there for over 50 years, so I've learned so much about the culture and the history, which is very important when visiting the islands, which I just want to mention. Like, if you're ever going to visit there as a tourist, like, please do your research on being respectful for the culture and the history and the people. Oh my gosh, when I lived there, like, there's no place like it. I guess that's why so many people move there. It's just this place where, like, so many people are away from their families if they've moved there, and they're so friendly. I used to work on the beach on Waikiki, and I'd wake up and like work at 5:30 in the morning opening a restaurant there that you'll probably see in my next vlog. I would work like a double shift. I really hustled there. And then I also did photography. I shot elopements and proposals and family photos of people that were traveling there. But anyway, today's vlog isn't about Hawaii itself. It's about packing, because not only am I going to Hawaii for 6 days, I'm going to Australia from there. So it's actually a lot closer for me coming from Seattle to go to Honolulu, and then to go 10 hours to Sydney, and then 5.5 hours to Perth. So we've got some long haul flights. We have 2 different types of climates to pack for, and we have, what, 4 days until I leave. So I'm going to show you different days and like what I do, and so we'll probably just like jump to different things in this video, because I want to show you how I prepare for long haul flights, what I pack for these long haul flights, what do I wear, what do I pack for 2 different trips, and also not overpack, because I'm not sure if you've seen my viral packing videos on TikTok or Instagram Reels, or I think I've even posted them to my YouTube Shorts. I'm an overpacker, and I'm just very excited because I think I bought some cute things, so you will see a haul for this trip. And then I also want to preface, like, for me, the way I like to spend my money is I like to pay my bills. So we've got rent and, you know, all the other things that come along with living life as an adult. I love to put money aside for travel, so I will go without things. I will be an outfit repeater. I will do what it takes to budget. It doesn't matter how much income I have throughout my entire life. I've been working since I was 15. I've been very scrappy. My thing is, if there's a will, there's a way, baby. I'm making it on that plane, and I'm making it to that location. So my goal is usually to go back home for a month, which I'm very, very lucky to be able to do so. And that's why I love making content. That's why I love doing this job. That's why I love you, because I'm able to see my family, and I'm also able to live in America and chase my wildest dreams. Oh, I also want to mention that I just got my nails done. I went for this like hibiscus tropical design, and I went in there with some nails, and then they freaking shaved them down to the nub. I might insert a photo. What happened was the crime, but like happened today, because I was like, oh, that hurts, and they're like, relax, and I'm like, this is the shortest my nails have ever been in my life. I wanted to show you guys the haul that I just did. So I got food for the plane, and then I also got food for this week, because I'm really trying to focus on eating high protein meals so that I'm just feeling my best and getting vacation ready. I don't look at what I can remove from my diet and acting really strict and all of that. I look at it more like, what can I add to my plate to feel better? So I feel better when I eat high protein. So I got these Teton grass-fed pasture-raised beef sausages. These are really good. I have about like 3. And then I have the Purdue gluten-free chicken breast nuggets, which I'm making in my wrap, which I feel as though I'm making one of these wraps like every time I'm filming a vlog. I tell you guys, it's my hyperfixation. So I've got some avocado, the siete cassava like burrito wrap, and then I also have this like romaine salad, because then I put that all together and it's like crunchy and perfect. And then I thought for the plane, okay, I ran out of protein powder, but like I didn't want to buy a whole protein powder because I think I'm getting sent some. So I was like, oh well, I'll just get these little sample sachets, which I recommend that, like at the store, if they ever offer samples, try out a bunch of different proteins, because the protein powders, like sometimes some of them taste like pretty funky. So I got these, and then I also got these Go Macro bars. This is the Heartwarming Retreat oatmeal chocolate chip. I love these for the plane. Then I also got this cinnamon gum, because I know that cinnamon helps nausea, and I always get anxiety when I'm traveling, whether it's I'm like too tired, sleep deprived. I find it really hard saying bye to my family. So I thought this would help me. I've never tried this brand. And then I got these Bobo's chocolate chip oat bites, because I know on some of these flights they don't have like allergy friendly stuff, and I cannot have dairy like at all, and I can't have egg. So I'm like, okay, if there's nothing that I can eat, I've got 5 of these, and they're so good. And then I'm like, okay, well, what if I want something savory that's also high protein? So there's these salmon bites, beef bites, the Epic Protein, so good. I don't think I've tried these. This is like a lightly peppered turkey one, and then this is a beef stick. Yeah, this is like a little grocery haul, and then I'll show you what's in the fridge. So these Siggy's plant-based coconut blend yogurts, they're actually really high protein, 10 grams. So I was like, okay, let me get this one. I love like a good vanilla one. We've got raspberry, mixed berries. I also have coconut cult, which is so good for gut health. I have a little bit of a blueberry vanilla granola, which I like to sprinkle on top. I also have like some tuna, which is going to be good for like another wrap throughout the week. We've got a steak for dinner. But yeah, this is my little haul. Okay, I'm actually obsessed with this little flat lay that I just did. I found this bag on Pinterest. There was this viral photo, you've probably seen it. It inspired me to get this bag from Amazon, which I will have everything linked on my storefront for you. I got this MEJ clip, which I'm obsessed with. It's so cute and high quality. I also got these starfish earrings, which are actually quite big, so I feel like these will be a nice statement. I then realized that I'm loving pearls, and like a big chunky pearl necklace right now would look so cute. So I actually made this myself with my jewelry making kit that I got from Marshalls of all things, and I put this together while watching vlogs the other day on the floor. I also got this hat from Amazon, which I'll show you it on. It actually is so flattering. Like usually I feel really weird wearing a little floppy hat, but this one was cute. So I got these floral, this is a ring, and then these are the little matching earrings as well, which I thought would be. And then this is from Wear Pearls NZ or New Zealand on Instagram. Definitely check it out. Lulu hand makes these, and they're actually very affordable for pearls, and these have lasted me for years. You can wear them in the water. This is like a cute bracelet, and then this is a necklace, and then I want to wear this all stacked together. And then this is like a little beach bag, which, you know, simple netting, like if I've got something wet in there, it'll probably dry. And then I've been obsessed with the YSL Love Shine. It's a candy glow, and the color is just gorgeous. Like it goes on a bit sheer. I just think it's such a natural lippy. I also bought this portable door lock for the hotel room, and also low-key for my family in Australia, so they don't barge into my room. Sorry if you're watching this, I love you guys. But, you know, my door doesn't have a lock, and I just want to be knowing that nobody's going to be like, oh, Georgia, and barge in. Anyway, this is also like one of those handheld weighted things for the suitcase. I think it might need batteries, but I thought that was cool. And then this is like one of those travel hanging bags. So I need to see what I'm bringing. So I thought this would be perfect for my jewelry, and then I can literally fit whatever else in here. Probably my essentials when it comes to like cleanser, moisturizer, all of that. Toothbrush, because that will be coming with me most likely on the carry-on. My goal is to fit all of my stuff for Hawaii on my carry-on, and then my stuff for Australia in my checked luggage. And then conveniently, when I leave, I'm gonna give my Hawaii stuff to Jason to bring back, so I've got even more space to bring back stuff from Australia to Seattle when I return. Now this is the swim that I purchased, some from Amazon, and then this was from H&M. I don't sleep on H&M swimwear because it's so affordable, and then they make some cute pieces. I was going for that like high cut, like 80s, 90s, whatever it is, style when it comes to my swimsuits. This one was literally like $24.99, I think. I'm gonna have that on my Amazon storefront for sure. And then I'll also link these ones down below. They're just like super flattering cuts, and then especially these for the itty bitty committee. I also got it in black, and then this is like a little push-up one because, you know, I need everything that I can get at this point. This is the first piece from the haul that I'm obsessed with. It's a cover-up that's made out of the same swimsuit material. It's so stretchy, it's so soft. It's kind of like a midi with a little, well, big slit, I guess, but you can like kind of adjust it like that. And then we have the top from H&M. Then we have this next piece, literally from Amazon. And then we also have the same in white. And then this one's the last of the swim cover-ups. This is a piece from H&M that I just think is so easy to chuck on. Like, it's got the long sleeves, but it's very lightweight and breathable. Like, I can literally feel a breeze coming through. I just have that white bikini on, which is very similar to the black one that I have. It's literally the same. And then the high-waisted bottoms. I just thought this one was so flattering, so casual, but easy breezy, which is what you want when you're on a tropical vacation. This one's definitely gonna be a go-to for this summer, like any situation that I need to be out in the water, also still looking good. This is just a blue, very lightweight lace top that has this like inbuilt like bralette, I guess, that you can tie up, and it's like backless just with the tie, which I thought would be perfect for like a really hot night out, maybe with my white linen pants. And then this really buttery soft light blue piece as well is from Amazon. It's got these little cutouts on the side as well, which are very flattering for the waist, and this little ruching here. And then I love a thick strap as well. I feel like that's really flattering. This is also like a bandeau top, which I love the floral print, and this is another floral print, just like a little spaghetti strap top, which I'll probably wear with like a black satin skirt. But yeah, I just wanted some easy tops that are like bright, fun, colorful, that match my little pink bag and pink accessories. I even have a little pink heel that I can bring as well. So I just cooked us some dinner. We've got roasted sweet potato and then this like orange blossom salad. I love having half of the plate of leafy greens, a nice carb, and then we've got steak here, which mine is very simple. It's like Celtic sea salt, a little bit of rosemary, and I sometimes do garlic, but my stomach's pretty sensitive right now. It's really balanced, simple. I might have more if I feel like more. Hi guys, so I've just done a lot of packing here. I wanted to explain my process. So this is what I bring as a carry-on. You're allowed a carry-on item and one personal item. So the base weekender bag with the bottom zipped off actually fits underneath the seat in front. And then I also have this like seat cushion that I bring that like clasps like this. And because it relieves pressure, it's got like a little cutout for your like coccyx bone. Because when I'm sitting on a flight for like over 10 hours, I get the worst end of spine pain. Anyway, so I also have like the neck pillow. I've got a pair of extra leggings, a cap, and then in here, I meticulously fit in different things. So like I've got my swimsuits because if anything happens to my checked luggage, like fingers crossed nothing does happen, like I need my swimsuits. You know, when it's just sometimes so hard to find them, like I'm just one of those people that I'm like very particular about what I feel comfortable in. And then I've got my underwear because that's another thing I'm not gonna risk. I'm always gonna bring my underwear. Also, it's like something light that I can just bring in here for extra room. I've got my like favorite Adidas red sneakers in here because then I was like, oh, what if somebody goes through my checked bag and like steals them? Because I've seen that people get stuff stolen. Not that I think that like somebody, I mean, you just never know what somebody's gonna like. And I love these shoes, and if they got stolen from me, like I'd be so upset. But you're probably thinking, Georgia, nobody's gonna steal these shoes. You know what? It's giving me peace of mind. We all have our one thing that we're like, that's not gonna leave me. Oh, and then I've got like bras and that pink bag in there to keep it all cushioned. So that's another tip that I have. Like if you have things that are delicate, like put them in with certain clothes. So I've put more bags here. We've got all of my clothes, just like bottoms in this one with the hat. We've got like the tops and a pair of pajamas in that one. We've got shoes in like plastic bags because I don't want them to get anything on anything else in my suitcase, so I always just keep them in the plastic bag. So I keep some flip-flops in here. We call them thongs in Australia, so that's always so funny. I have like a belt zipped up in this internal compartment, and then I have some heels wrapped up in this one. And then what's in this one? Oh, this is all my activewear. I love to just Tetris everything out. And oh, I'll show you guys what I zipped up in here as well. So I've got a lot of goodies for my family when I go back home. And then one thing that my friend Jean actually taught me, because she helped me pack when I moved from Australia to Oahu, I flat lay things, like as flat as I can get them, like jeans. I've got how many pairs of jeans? 2 jeans, and I have a long trench coat underneath them. So that's one tip that I always find saves a lot of space. I have done like a lot of different types for different trips. Like I've done the rolling things up, but I find putting things as flat as they can be like really helps. I've got all of my long sleeve tops. I think I've packed like 5. I can just do laundry when I'm home. I've got an extra plastic bag for like wet swimsuits if I go to the ocean like on the last day that I'm there. And then I've got my trousers, and then I've got like a few different sweaters, because I figured if I pack like 4 or 5 sweaters, 5 tops, different pants, then I'll do like a capsule wardrobe for when I'm back home that I can mix and match. But yeah, this is majority of my Perth winter stuff, and then this is my Hawaii stuff, and then a bit more Hawaii stuff and carry on long haul flights for the return home from Perth, because that's going to be the longest one. And yeah, I'm so excited. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment, and let me know anything. What kind of packing tips do you like the most? What do you use any of these? Like, is there anything else that I should consider? And I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.